Hey everybody, it's Carol, and I'm back with another project I've been working on, and I thought I'd share it with you, and maybe you'd like to try to make one too. These are little lanterns that Maymay made, and I followed her tutorial, and I made a couple of them. I made one with vellum, one without, and you can put the little battery operated tea lights in them, and they look really good. So I thought I'd just share them with you and let you see them. And they're not hard to make at all. So that's it. Y'all have a wonderful weekend, and thank you for all your comments and for watching the videos I put up. Thanks, and see y'all later. Bye now.